Hi all. In this video, we will look at SON in 3GPP Release 9. The main focus of SON in Release 9 was on self-optimization. We discussed this in detail in our introduction video. The main use cases of self-optimization are as shown here. Mobility Robustness Optimization or MRO, Mobility Load Balancing or MLB, minimization of drive testing or MDT, fast and proactive parameter optimization, increased network performance. We will look at MRO, MLB and MDT in the future videos. This is a good list of self-optimization use cases from an old Eriksson workshop. I'm not going to read this out here. You can get the slides later and go through them. 3GPP Release 9 SON was focused heavily on network optimization procedures. The following features were defined as part of Release 9. Mobility Robustness MRO and Handover Optimization HO, Ratch Optimization, Load Balancing Optimization, Intercell Interference Coordination ICIC. We covered load balancing optimization as part of MLB in an earlier video. We also covered ICIC in another video before. We can generalize the working of self-optimization as shown in this slide here. Once the self-configuration part is complete, there is no guarantee that the network is working in an optimal fashion. This is where automated processes and algorithms kick in, monitoring how users are perceiving the quality of experience, and based on the feedback, corrective actions are taken. These corrective actions are mainly in form of parameter update. Things will get clearer once we look at some examples in the following videos. After the self-configuration part is complete, the network or the new cell moves into an operational state. This is when the network makes use of most powerful weapon to optimize the network. This is the configuration of one or several measurement messages. These messages tell the UE to send a measurement report when the condition or conditions specified in the measurement configuration messages are met. These reports provide the network with a granular view of what is happening in different parts of the network and different locations at any time instant. We will look at some examples in the following videos that will make this very clear, hopefully. Here are some references for further reading. So this short video is a scene setter for other videos looking at self-optimization features. We will next look at mobility robustness optimization, which is really interesting as well as important feature, and then look at ratch optimization. We will also look at minimization of drive testing, but after we introduce Release 10 SON features and self-healing. MDT came as part of Release 10, so we will respect the flow. Thanks for watching and goodbye.